Hello, welcome to the channel Picky Watch Hong Kong. Today I'm going to review with you on this Seiko 5 GMT watch. It's a good looking watch with orange dial. It's very sharp and because it has a bicolor bezel and an orange dial, which is so good looking with its Jubilee bracelet. So let me introduce more in-depthly with you on this watch. This Seiko GMT watch belongs to the Seiko 5 series, and its price point is around $300 US, a little bit more than that. And you can see it's a steel mechanical watch, and its steel material is made of 316 steel, which is quite common among cheaper or microband watches. And of course, Seiko is not a microband, but this 316 steel is already very durable and reliable material, which is will make it one of your daily watch. And look at that sole. It's a bicolor. If I get it right, even Rolex has been released a GMT Master 2 with this color combination, which is black and then silver or gray. So it's very attractive. Its bezel can move two directions, anti-clockwisely and clockwisely, to give you it's very good for the travelers who need to travel between different time zones. And as for the dial, it's one of the best colors or vibrant colors for this watch because of its it's a sun ray dial, so at different angles you can see its radiance. It's like CD, giving you a very pleasant color. And so how big is the bezel? You may ask this question. So let me show you how I measure it. So the bezel is around 41 millimeter. Okay, it's around 41. You may ask, oh, what's the thickness of this watch? So I will show you the thickness with my equipment. So it's around 14 millimeters, 14.5 millimeters. And this watch is quite reliable because it has a sapphire crystal, and also its Jubilee bracelet is very easy to use because its clasp has a two-step mechanism. Okay, first step is like this. The second step is the final buckle. So it's very clear and very easy to use. And even for opening, it's easy. Okay, let's see. So when I'm testing the bracelet, you can also see it's a transparent case back, exhibition case back. Okay. Even if there is not much polish work on the movement, but I think it's still a pleasure to see the NH34 movement. So speaking of the movement, NH34 is quite a new movement to me, and also it's a very reliable one. So among GMT watches, NH34 watch is already very at a low price point and is always reliable. So so for the lume of this watch, it's very strong in the dark environment. I tested it before, so there's no problem with visibility in the dark environment. So for the hands of this watch, because of its GMT complication, so it's 4 hands. Okay, so at the 3 basic hands and also the GMT hand, okay, at around the 9 o'clock location, a little bit higher than the 9 o'clock location. And the crown location is located at 4 o'clock location, and there is a date window at 3 o'clock. And a side clock, some people like it and some people not. Makes it look like some Rolex watches, maybe remind you of Rolex watches, but of course it's not. There's no copyright for that, right? And something I want to mention about the crown is that it's not a screw down crown. This crown is a ordinary crown, and this I think is the major drawback for this watch. If you ask me what is the pros and cons of this watch, I would say the only drawback is its crown. It has crown guard, but the crown is not a screw down one, so maybe a little bit disappointed about this. But of course, this is not a diverse watch. If you use it for GMT function and daily hand wash water resistance, there will be no problem. And the crown guard actually has already fixed the problem of not screw down crown. And also the water resistance for this watch is around 100 meters. So it's absolutely enough for daily use. And finally, let's look at the case shape to know all the beautiful features of this watch. You can see it's a very retro looking, it's a very vintage looking Seiko. It's beautiful. So my final comment on this watch is that it will be your daily beater and a very good tool watch. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment my channel. Thanks for watching. Here is the Picky Watch Hong Kong. Thank you.